Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. You should light my candle. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Should this be on? So, today's video is going to be my first holiday video. Yay! So, as my first holiday video, I thought it would be festive enough to do a holiday makeup look. But it has a little twist to it. We are going to be doing it all drugstore. So, none of this is going to be that expensive at all. It's affordable for y'all. But I'm just going to pin some of my hair back with some white clips that I actually bought at Walgreens. So this is affordable too. We have my Target bag. Let's go through it, shall we? First thing we have in here is a hairbrush, which I bought because I needed a new hairbrush because mine's gross. And that one's really cute. We have that. I have a few other things in here, like a hairspray. I have a sticker from Dutch Bros. And yeah, the rest is makeup. So let's get into it, shall we? We have my bright orange mirror that I got at a camp. We're gonna go into brows first. I always start off with brows because of my bangs, and it's just easier for me. As you guys probably know, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Gel Volumizer thingamajigger because I love this stuff. Next, I have this. So some of the stuff I've already bought, some of the stuff I had to buy yesterday because I didn't have. I bought this as my eyebrow gel because even though that is a gel brow product, it still doesn't keep my brows in place all day. So I got this E.l.f. one. This is a clear brow and lash. I've heard this is really good. So we're trying her out today. So what's the difference? Are the wands different? Okay, that so far so good. I don't like it when it makes my eyebrows look clumpy, so hopefully it won't do that. But okay, moving on to concealer. But I'm gonna first go into this. So this is like a holiday thing, but it's a lip smacker and it's vanilla cream soda. I just wanted to buy a chapstick because I love chapstick, and this one looks so fun. They had Dr. Pepper and like Pepsi, I think, but this one seemed like the best option. Oh my gosh, this looks like a glue stick. I'm so excited. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I have this E.l.f. HD lifting concealer. I've actually never tried this surprisingly. But it was like $3. So, I mean, if you're on a budget, but you want to look cute for the holidays, you know where to look. This is actually a really like high-end looking bottle. Wow. Back to ASMR. Okay, we're just gonna apply this anywhere I have blemishes. What shade did I get? The wand is so tiny though. Don't know how to feel about. That's okay. Okay, next is powder. And I have Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I've been liking loose powder lately because it's just, I don't know, works better on my skin. And I am going to slightly bake. Okay, how long am I supposed to keep this on for? I'm gonna take any excess and just put that anywhere else I put the concealer. And I'm also not gonna bake. That seems like too much work. Pretty. What are you guys doing for the holidays? That's what I would like to know. Should we do my face first or my eyes? Let's do my face first. Yeah, let's do my face first. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this E.l.f. Beautifully Bare Cheeky Glow Soft Peach Blush. Because this is, I think this is a cream. I'm not 100% sure though. My scissors. Why do you do this, E.l.f.? This isn't a cream. I'm gonna be really mad. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is a cream. So I'm gonna actually just use my finger.
Merry Christmas!
Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. I think I put too much on, but I always put too much blush on. But that was really pretty, actually. I like that. I like how it's like in a little pot. Next up, we have this, which is like a little face, not eye, face palette by E.l.f. Pretty. So we have some This has been used. It has been swatched. Oh my gosh, how disgustingly gross do you have to be? I'm gonna go into this bronzer. What I'm also gonna do is take an eyeshadow brush and apply this brown into my crease. I'm gonna do highlighter last, so close that up for now. Next, what we're gonna do is my eyes. So I have this bad boy right here. This is like an eyeliner pencil, but it's like colored. It's like glittery, not glittery, but like shimmery. I thought it might be cool. And I'm gonna like try and wing this out. See it on camera, can you? Whatever. It just gives your look a little oomph. I like this. I like that. So now that you're all holiday up, we're gonna go ahead and get some mascara, which I forgot to grab, so I'm gonna get some right now. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Total Temptation mascara, which I used to be obsessed with. Someone is definitely in my house. False alarm, it was just my cat, but we're keeping the door open anyway because I'm too scared. For highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Master Chrome highlighter, which I used to be obsessed with, and it is so good. This one is in gold, not the rose gold one, because I just feel like it fits more holiday, but it is so beautiful. So now that that's on, we're gonna move on to the lips. And if you're like me, I don't wear a bold red lip a lot. So I actually got a nude color, which is a little bit darker than a nude. It's like a nude, but not a nude. This is by Maybelline. Oh, well, this is not the color I was expecting. I wish this was a color that I was expecting because I like this formula. This is a Maybelline lipstick in the color 565 Almond Rose. I mean, it's still pretty. Just not what I was hoping for. Okay, we're just gonna try red. So never mind that. This is an E.l.f. matte lip color pencil. So we're just gonna use this instead. Pretty natural face and stuff, but we got a bold lip, which I never do. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was, you know, fun. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and do not forget, never stop buzzing on buzz. Bye.
Merry Christmas!